Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to force restart iPhone 6. If you're using an iPhone 6 and now you want to make a force restart of your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You have to follow a simple trick to make a force restart of your phone. For this, you have to quickly press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. So let's do this. First, press and release volume up, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button until your phone screen will be black and the Apple logo won't show. Here you can see my phone screen has been blacked, and here's the Apple logo, and that is now you just have to release the button and put it here, and now you have successfully made a force restart of your phone. So that's how you force restart your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.